We dip into the bag of hot topics this evening, and we've come up with the Reggae Boyz and Coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore, who between them continue to give local football fans headache. This time with their performances at the CONCACAF Gold Cup. And it's not them intense, kind of excruciating headache. It's more that nagging kind of pain that won't go away. Because while the boys are still unbeaten and them top them group and are into the quarter-final of the tournament, them not playing nothing. Them have grit and fight and determination. But in terms of the technical execution of the basic skills of the game, them are hurt me head. Defensively, they are not keeping their shape, while the forwards are hot and cold. And every time the ball falls into the Jamaican midfield, me feel like my head are going to tear off. The headache gets worse. But as me say, the intensity of the pain drops when I remember that Jamaica is still in the tournament and we still have a chance to improve as we progress and to even go on and win the Gold Cup. I mean, if Tapper Whitmore can continue to organize this team to nudge and edge and scrap and scrape through the quarterfinal, into the semi-final and into the Gold Cup final, and then nudge and scrape and scrap his way to the Gold Cup title, then Whitmore and the players would get and deserve all the glory. But me would still have the headache. Yes. Me headache kill me, man. I have the headache today. Me headache kill me, man. Headache. It's a headache, team top of headache. Headache.